So I had the privilege of doing Mark's course in 2020 with my work team. And it was, of course, the year of the COVID pandemic. So already being a year for great reflection, I think it was such an honor to do Mark's course in that time, because it also helped me to shape my thoughts and to guide my thinking in terms of rethinking my life and how I think about myself and myself as an employee. I think my greatest learning from the course was definitely that if you don't take care of yourself in your 20s, you may not pay for it now, but you will definitely pay for it later on. And just the idea that you as a human being are made out of different aspects, and that you need to take care of all of those aspects. Mark was extremely knowledgeable and extremely engaging, and even though we did the course online, I don't feel like any of the engaging factor of it or any of the magic went to waste. I would definitely recommend this course for anyone who's interested, and thank you, Mark, for the big difference you made in my life.